Hello, my name is Jonathan Benson. I'm the Executive Chef and Food Service Director here at South Point Hospital. Today I'm going to be preparing two dishes for you. One is a slow-cooked pot roast with some vegetables, and for dessert we're going to do a blueberry lemon cupcake. To start off with our pot roast, we want to add 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, half a teaspoon of cracked black pepper. You want to add some celery that is rough cut, maybe about 2 to 3 stalks. You want to have 1 onion. You can cut this onion any way you would like. You can rough cut it. Me, I chose to just julienne it. We have about maybe half a bag of baby carrots. If you want to use fresh carrots, you can also use about 3 to 4 fresh carrots cut on a rough chop. Spread that around. One thing that I like to add to my pot roast when I'm doing it is a sprig of rosemary. This adds a lot of flavor to the broth and the meat itself. So you can just toss that in there. To season our chuck roast, this is about 1.5 pounds. You want to use, I'm pretty sure that you have some Uncle Ben's rice in your pantry. You want to take about 1 ounce of the packet, that is the seasoned packet that's in there. You just want to sprinkle this on. You can pat this down. Season both sides thoroughly. The great thing about this recipe is that you can set this up right before you leave for work, put it in your slow cooker for about 8 hours. By the time you get back home, you have a delicious meal. Sit that right on top. Remove your gloves. You want to sit this on a slow cooker. That's it, and walk away. So after 8 hours, when you get home, you have a delicious meal. So now we're going to start with our dessert. It is a blueberry lemon cupcake. The most important thing about this recipe is that this is a sugar-free cake mix. You can either use white or yellow. It's your preference. And then you always want to add your wet ingredients to the dry so that it mixes evenly. So we're going to start off with 1 cup of water. We have lemon zest of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon or tablespoon. Lemon juice from 1 lemon. Cooking oil. And we're going to do 3 cracked eggs. Make sure you don't get any shells. Just want to mix this up a little bit. Beat the eggs up so everything is smooth. Now, something that I like to do when I'm mixing up our stuff is put something underneath your bowl so it doesn't move on you. And gradually add your cake mix. All right. Now that we have all of that mixed up, this is what your cake mix should look like. Now we have our muffin pan. I'm going to spray this with some pan coat or non-stick pan spray. Take your scoop, about 1 scoop per cup or per tin. Now our oven is already preheated at 325 degrees. Once we get all these into the tin, move all your stuff to the side. And you want to place about 3 or 4 blueberries in each one, right on top. And you can use frozen or fresh blueberries, your preference. Perfect. I'm going to put these in the oven at 325 for about 15 minutes. All right. Okay, so after 15 minutes or so, you want to test these with a toothpick just to make sure that they're done completely on the inside. And then you have our beautiful blueberry lemon cupcakes. Recipes and nutritionals will be provided with the link below. I hope you guys enjoyed my demo today. On a lighter note, you always want to take your time and cook for yourself, cook lean, cook clean, and cook fresh. Have fun doing it. Appreciate your time, and I hope to see you guys next year.